What up, guys? So right now, I was like real tired. Actually waiting for Hobbit to come from work for you to meet up, for you to go and do some more jobs. So I just taking a little five, catch my breath. Anyhow, so let me answer this question here by the time, right? Recommend a line conditioner. All right. So a line conditioner is just basically something with a transformer and a capacitor in the simplest format. The transformer will buffer any fluctuation in current. The fluctuation does not mean to be extremely high or extremely low. It could still fluctuate between 120 volts to 110 volts, but rapidly is not good for electronics. So the transformer will act as a buffer to avoid that from going erratic. And then the capacitor now will store current, and while that's storing current, if the drops below 110, it's going to bring it back up to that level of 115 with a tolerance of 5 volts. Right? There's also another device that allow current that if it comes over 110, I'm sorry, 120, it will route the excess current to ground. All right. So that is the principle behind it. You anyone would work. I normally recommend one from that place that you go. You have to buy a card and auto shop with them. I'm not calling names, but all you have an idea what I'm talking about. If you go there, the Port Spain branch, to any one of the techs, tell them Joey sent you. You're looking for the align conditioner. They'll recommend one for you. I recently got a customer who said they paid 200 or so one, so you could go and check it out. Right. So any line conditioner will work. The reason why I send people there is because that they know me there. Right. They know me very well. So it will be an easier transition or easier purchase for you guys if you go there to buy it. That they will know exactly that you'll be confident that you're getting the right thing because a lot of people not sure of what they're going to buy. So I go just liaise with them directly and say, all right, so anybody come to buy it, this is what they sell them, and we go from there. All right, guys. So I hope that answer. Um, okay, I really carried that. Nothing wrong with my glasses, guys. It's just my eyes.